Today, we're excited to share this traditional tower house in the heart of one of our favourite towns in Sardinia. Bosa is a colourful, historic town set on a hillside just a few kilometres inland from the sea on the Temo River. From the lovely rooftop terrace, you'll be able to enjoy the sunsets and unique architecture of this friendly, lively, authentic town. The picturesque old town centre is filled with charming cafes, restaurants and shops along the cobblestone streets. From here, you can follow the winding alleyways up to the historic castle for stunning views of the sea and surrounding area, or you can easily walk, cycle or drive to the nearby harbour, beaches and seaside cafes in Bosa Marina. The house is being sold furnished and is on the market for €100,000. The 113 square metres of living space is spread over 4 floors. According to the realtor, there is an entrance hall with kitchen area, large bathroom and laundry area on the ground floor. Both bedrooms are on the first floor. Then, on the second floor, there's a bright living and dining room with a balcony, as well as a separate kitchen. On the top floor, there's a mezzanine with a study area and access to the large panoramic terrace. There's also a second bathroom on the top floor. While there are several tourists in Bosa during the summer months, it hasn't yet been fully discovered by international buyers, and property prices are still very reasonable, making this a very good investment, either as a primary residence or holiday home. Alghero and its international airport are only an hour away, and the drive between Bosa and Alghero is one of the most stunningly beautiful in the world, with very little traffic. So, if you like this property and would like more information or have any questions, please contact the realtor directly. There's a link to their original listing in the video notes below. Thanks for watching and welcome to all of our new subscribers. And if you end up buying this fabulous house, please let us know so we can wish you congratulations.